Hello everybody, this is Afaq Iftikhar. As requested from a lot of people who don't understand Urdu, I have decided to voice over this video into English. In this video, I'm going to discuss all those people who are already living in UK, but they don't hold a legal status in UK. The people who have been living here for a long period of time, but they're not married. For these kind of people, I'm going to tell you 4 easiest ways to become legal in this country. The first condition is for the people who are under 18 years old and was not born in UK but have lived 7 years in this country. In this condition, you'll have to convince the immigration officer that it is not viable for you to live outside this country and you'll not be able to live outside this country. If you're able to satisfy the immigration officer with the proof, then you'll be given a limited leave to remain for 2.5 years on private life. The second condition is for the people who are 18 to 25 years old at the time of the application and have spent half of their life in UK. For example, when you came to the UK, you were 9 years old, and when you're applying for the residence, you're 18 years old or 19 years old. Under the age of 25, and not less than 18, not over 25 years old. In this condition, this is the only requirement that you have to prove that you have lived half of your life in UK and your age is 18 to 25 years old. The third condition of the people are those people who have lived in UK for at least 20 years. For example, when you came to the UK, you were 20 years old, and when you're applying, your age is 40 years old. These kind of people, you don't have to prove anything. Only thing you have to prove that you have been living in UK for the past 20 years. You have spent 20 years of life in UK. This can be proven with the entry on your passport. Like when you came to the UK, you had a passport and there was a stamp. If you came to UK illegally with a different route, with a different way of transport, and you don't have a proof of your entry, this can be proven with a letter addressed to your name from each year, like from year 1, year 2, year 3. Every year, you should have at least one letter that is addressed to your name. This can be a bank statement, council tax, utility bills, letters from your friends confirming that you've been living in UK for the past 20 years. In this scenario, they'll have to prove how they know you, where they met you, how long they have known you. In this scenario, you'll only have to prove that you've been living in UK for the past 20 years continuously, without a gap. Fourth and last condition is for the people who are over the age of 18 years old but have lived in UK less than 20 years. These group of people will have to prove that if they have been sent to the country they are from, they won't be able to integrate into society, and it will be very hard for them to survive in that country because they have spent a very long time in this country. And this can be easily proven by your ties, what ties you have got in this country, your friends, your family, your relations, this can be also proven that where they want to send you, you've got no friends over there, no family members, and there are no ties over there. Because you have spent most of your life in this country, it will not be viable for them to send you back to that country where they want to send you, because you have got no relations, no ties, and no friends over there. You can put your stance in front of the immigration officer by writing a letter to him, which will be read by him because it is his duty to read each and every document that you send. In all these 4 conditions, you'll have to prove with evidence that whatever you're saying is correct. It is your responsibility to prove and satisfy the immigration officer. If you fail to satisfy the immigration officer, then your application may be rejected. So think before you submit your application that you have got all the proofs, that you can prove whatever you're saying is all true and you can prove that. Hopefully, I have been able to explain whole process thoroughly and clearly. If you need me to make any other videos regarding immigration visas, please do let me know in the comment bar. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share it with your friends. Maybe somebody is going to get benefit from this video, and they'll keep me remember in their prayers. See you in next video. Thank you so much.